everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezzie and I'm so happy that you found my channel and I hope you get to stay and join my lovely family over here. I would really love that. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then simply press the notification bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. Before we start the video, I'm a little bit sick, so please bear with me because yeah, I have a different voice and I'm a bit stuffed as well. So
yeah, just bear with me, okay?
Today's video is going to be about the Biovène Pink Peel Off Mask. If you didn't know, I had already reviewed the Biovène Charcoal Magnet Mask, which I really like, and I'll leave it linked down below if you want to see a review on that. But today, it's all about the Pink Peel Off Mask. I also have a little giveaway for you guys as well, where you can win one of the Pink Peel Off masks as well. All you have to do is follow 4 simple steps, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and comment down below with the hashtag KezziesCorner giveaway. So hashtag KezziesCorner giveaway. So it will be simple for you guys. And also leave me down below your Instagram handle and your Facebook name, so I would know obviously if you kind of follow the steps, I guess. So basically those are the 4 steps, and if you want a bonus entry, as I did in my Christmas giveaway, you can share a screenshot of this video on your Insta story or your Facebook story, and don't forget to use the hashtag KezziesCorner giveaway. So yeah, this one is for you guys. And again, it is open internationally, just so you know. And I would like to thank Biovène for these products. I also have with me, I'm going to be trying out their brush, which they sent me, and then their cute hairband, which I can't wait to try on because this is adorable. Like, look at it. It's so cute. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And yeah, I would see you in my next video and I hope you like the review. Okay, so I'm going to start by telling you guys some things about the Pink Peel Off Mask. I wrote them down on my phone. So the Pink Peel Off Mask is made up with natural ingredients, including activated charcoal, strawberry extract, argan oil, and collagen, which are
good ingredients, like, I think so.
It basically stimulates and nourishes dehydrated skin. So if you don't drink a lot of water, this is good for you. Provides skin restoring and moisturizing nourishment. It makes skin appear smoother with a glowing complexion. It deeply cleanses impurities from your skin or from like pollution and residual particles. Great for people who suffer from clogged pores, blackheads, blemishes, and oiliness. And the boosted collagen formula provides firmness to skin. And the super omega fatty acids make it a protective, nourishing skin superfood. So all you have to do is basically you have to begin by washing your face. So you cleanse your face and you wash with warm water, so you open up the pores so that the mask will be able to go inside them and clean them up. And then you apply a mask on a dry face. So apply the mask advantageously on your nose, chin, and forehead. Avoid eye and hairy areas, so be careful because it's like a peel off mask, so you have to avoid eyes and hairy areas. And then you let the mask settle on your skin for 30 minutes. You peel off the mask when it's completely dry. And then you rinse your face in mild water, so it will close the pores with then you close a pore with a tonic, with a toner basically, and you use a moisturizing cream. So basically I've already like cleansed my face, so my pores are all open and they're ready for action. And then we're going to leave the mask for 30 minutes and then I will come back and I will show you what I will do. And then off camera I'll apply my toner and my moisturizer, which is what you have to do after you apply the mask. And remember to leave it 30 minutes and just leave it dry so you can be able to peel it off at one go. So I have the brush here.
Oh wait, what am I doing? I first have to
put on this because this is adorable. Like, how do you, okay. Hey, ooh, how do I look, guys? Okay, so my camera's not gonna get it, but like, here it is. Wait, should I like put it on the side? Is that how you do it? I don't know, anyways. So I have my hairband on, and I'm just going to apply the mask now. As you can see, it hasn't been opened. It's the first time I'm gonna use it. It is pink, like really pink. And this is how it comes out. Okay. And as I told you, I've already cleansed my face. Okay, this feels weird. It feels so cooling, like you have no idea. Oh, I got an itch here. This brush feels weird. It smells sort of like bubblegum for me. That's what it feels like. Oh, I think I did too much there. And it's grabbing onto my lashes. Okay, took it off. But it just feels cooling, and I really love the scent of it as well. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this, and then I'll be right back when I finished applying it. Okay, so I finished applying it. I was so scared to apply near my eyebrows, so that's why it kind of looks a little bit wonky, you know what I mean? But, oh, actually I forgot my mustache. Like, I really like applying over here. So basically this is the mask. I'm going to leave it dry out for 30 minutes and I will be back with you to peel it off. I'm so excited. I really like peel off masks. Like, the feeling that you get after you peel it off is just amazing, and I hope that this peel off mask as well does the trick. It's like to set the 30 minutes and we're going to start it. There we go. So basically this mask does take quite a bit, so know that when you're going to apply this pink peel off mask, you have to make sure that you have 30 minutes to spare to wait for it to dry, because you have to wait for it to dry or else you're not going to really see what it's meant to do, which is what I said. Example, it brightens your face, cleans your pores, cleans impurities, and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll be right back and we'll see how this mask turns out. Okay, so my phone is going to ring really quickly. It's like 1 minute more and like a few seconds. But I also wanted to tell you, like, it's very, like, the mask is so firm on my face, like I barely can move my mouth to talk. And I also wanted to say that this is not a brush. Like, I don't know how I noticed. I'm a bit sick, so maybe I didn't notice. It's like a sponge. I think it will probably help with peeling off masks, you know, to apply them. However, as I said, I didn't really like the mask, but the brush, sorry. But yeah, just want to tell you, just wanted to clarify that this is a sponge. And I also brought up the products that I'm going to use after I rinse off after I peel it off and then rinse my face. They told us to use a toner, sorry, to basically close up your pores. And the toner I'm going to be using is the Pixie Glow Tonic. I love this stuff. I use it every day, morning and evening. And then I'm going to use this as my moisturizer. This is the Kors Wild Rose Day Cream. Day Cream. Oop, it's saying time up. Time's up. Okay. As you can see, so we have been 30 minutes waiting, and as I was saying, this is the moisturizer I'm going to be using today. It's Day Cream by Kors from the Wild Rose collection. Okay, so I'm just going to check if the mask is actually dry. Ooh, shiny. Yeah, the mask seems to be fully dried up. Like, make sure, like, check if the mask is fully dried up before you start peeling. And we're gonna start off peeling, but I really do I really do feel like I have like Botox on my skin. Not that I know how Botox feels like, but I'm guessing this is how it would feel like. Like, you can't really smile a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna start by peeling off this way. Okay. Ugh. Oh dear God. Oh dear God. Yeah, I never really touch my hair on my face, so I have hair obviously over there, but doesn't show. Holy crap. Okay. Okay. It's okay. We've only so far peeled this piece off. Oh dear. Maybe I try on this side. No, let's continue on this side. Oh God. I'm looking over here because I have a mirror. Oh, I'm not ready for this morning. Holy crap. Okay, so far, this is the only piece I took off and my skin feels so soft underneath. Oh God. Oh God. Nope, that didn't come all off together, so that's the first piece of the mask. Yeah, it's probably just because it's caught up on my hair. I'm gonna cry. Okay, how the hell? Okay. Holy crap. Okay. Okay. So, okay. I hate peel-off masks. Now I remember that I hate them. Because it hurts. Okay. So I took off. Oh, the skin underneath though looks really clean. Like, look at that. Okay. Okay. Oh, over here, it always does this. Like, over there is a place where my skin, like, it doesn't dry up every time I apply a face mask. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, this bloody hurts. Okay, guys, this hurts. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, as you can see, my skin is so red. Oh my God, that bloody hurt. So we're not gonna be taking this off at one go, for sure not. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm just going to look underneath. Ooh. Ooh, this actually did take off stuff. Okay, I don't know if you can like see, but it did take off stuff. I'm just gonna throw it away because this is too painful. Okay, so now it's our forehead's turn. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm just taking it off now. So I'm just going to continue peeling this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have removed the mask. I just want to tell you that over here, you know, where it got stuck, the best thing you could do for yourself is just rinse. When it doesn't dry up, just rinse it. Like if it like, I had like a piece over here, which didn't dry up as you saw. Just rinse it and then wipe it with the face cloth and it will come off immediately rather than try and take it off yourself, because as you can see, I created like a mess over here. Like it's all red because of it's my fault. Over here it's red though because I pulled it off because it hurt, okay? Like I have hair. I had hair. Is it still there? Like I had hair on my face. Is it still there? I can't feel it. Anyways, because I never like touch my facial hair because it's so fair and blonde, like it doesn't even show, so I don't have to. Just be careful, because if you have hair like me, this thing will hurt you. But I just wanted to say how smooth my skin feels, and it is just so like it's glowing. Like it's glowing. Like I really like how my skin feels. It's so soft and so smooth. I rinsed it off with mild water. I closed up my pores with the toner that I used, the Pixie Glow Tonic, and then I used the Kors moisturizer. My skin looks alright. I mean, it does look red. You know, it does have like some blemishes here and there, but hopefully when I start using this like weekly, I'm going to start using it. Like I always like using masks maybe once a week because I'm doing the peel off now. I have my next appointment on Wednesday 2nd, so I cannot wait. Like I can't wait to have like my second appointment because I already see like so much difference. However, like with this mask today, I noticed how much smoother my skin looks and how glowing it is. Like my nose is like glowing and has no highlighter on, so like that's pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, would I recommend this? Yes. Does it hurt?
Yes, so be very careful.
Alright, just be careful. And do leave it on for 30 minutes. Like, I left it on for a little bit more than 30 minutes because when I had set the timer, like already like 2 minutes had already passed, so technically I left it on for a bit more. But as you can see, as you saw, the alarm rang, so I did leave it on for about 30 minutes for sure. And as I said, if you find like a piece hasn't dried up, the best thing you could do is just rinse it off and then dry it off with a face cloth, and it will immediately go, because the more you pick at your skin, the worse it is. As you can see over there, it just created a red blotch. Anyway, so yeah, remember that I have a giveaway for you guys, and I am giving away one of these tubes for you guys, and all you have to do to participate is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, comment down below with hashtag KezziesCorner giveaway, and then for a bonus entry you can share an Insta story or a Facebook story of a screenshot of this video hashtagging KezziesCorner giveaway, and that will enter you for a bonus entry. And don't forget to comment down below hashtag KezziesCorner giveaway plus your Instagram handle or your Facebook name, so I would know that you participated in the previous steps. That's my brother, never mind. The giveaway closes on the 16th of January at 9 AM, and I will announce the winner on my video of that day, which will come out probably at around 6 PM. And when I say the times, I mean Malta time. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then please subscribe. And I would like to thank you for watching. I would like to thank Biovène Barcelona for just a lovely opportunity, for the mask, for the hairband, and for the brush, and for also providing me with a supplement for you guys as well. So yeah, I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you guys in my next video. And woo, this is going to be Earth in 2019.